सर रिसेंटली मैंने एक एशियन साइंस के ऊपर एक कॉन्फ्रेंस अटेंड की थी जो पूना में थी, एस्ट्रा 2016 10 9 to 11। वहाँ पर आर चिदम्बरम भी आए थे, प्रिंसिपल साइंटिफिक एडवाइजर टू प्राइम मिनिस्टर। एवरीबडी वाज सेइंग कि हमको अपनी एशियन साइंस को रिवाइव करना है, मेडिसिन, एग्रीकल्चर एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। यहाँ भी ऐसा ही कुछ है कि हमको अपनी एशियन साइंस को जो सोल है वो संस्कृत में लिखी हुई है उसको। तो सर मेरा क्वेश्चन बस ये है कि बहुत सालों से मैं सुन रहा हूँ कि ऐसा करना है, लेकिन किस क्योंकि एक आदमी से तो होगा नहीं है, पूरा इंडिया को बहुत सारे जो पद, किस पद पर बैठे व्यक्ति या व्यक्तियों को क्या करना है जिससे कि ये हो।
So the question is, we all talk about revival of Indian science and so on. Who is to do it? We keep talking about it. And I'd like Mohan Das's view also. I think government has a role in this. I mean, government has a role. I mean, I have done all I can. We started a project of putting 20 volumes on history of Indian science and technology. We have done 10 already. 10 volumes are already published. That Deccan College Conference, I was supposed to give an address there, but I was busy trying to fight the battles to get my book out. The book went many times to the printer, and then there would be some protest or something, and it would not happen, and then I'd go back and fight. So I didn't want to make any noise until I had a few thousand copies in our possession, which we now do. So we won the first battle of Sanskrit by getting the book out, and yeah, so. That's why I didn't go to that conference, because it was more important to be in Delhi, make sure this happens, you know. So I'm aware of that conference. Now that's a very good thing that is happening. More and more conferences happening, awareness spreading. But you know, they have to create some funding. They have to create a department. So when you are studying mathematics, you should be studying the history of Indian mathematics as part of that. When you are studying chemistry, when you are studying medicine, when you go to AIIMS and study medicine, you should study the history of Indian contribution. Every profession. It should not be that Sanskrit department is a separate thing. It should be separate, but then the particular contribution of our Sanskriti in a certain discipline should be part of that discipline also. ये तो HRD का काम है ना. This is the job of HRD. We can keep discussing. Maybe one day somebody will listen.